Hey guys, what's going on? This video is on Resolve Upholstery and Multi Fabric Cleaner. This is what it looks like. It's a spray bottle and it does spray on whites. So I have used this for my cats get hairballs and they will throw them up on the carpet and then I'll have to clean them up. And this really helps well to get the stain out. But I also bought this for my couch, which is, I'll show you guys. I'm actually not really sure. I think it's microfiber, but it can be used on that. So it penetrates deep to lift and remove tough stains on household fabric, including couches, curtains, rugs, car upholstery, and more, and mattresses. So this is the couch that I have used it on because my kids smash goldfish and other snacks and it gets really messy. So it helps get the stain out. And then also I have had to clean my curtains with that as well. I got chimney soot on them recently and it was like all black right here. Like this whole thing was black and it really helped to get so much of the stain out. And in fact, when I pull this all the way down, you can't even see that the stain was there. But that is really thanks to the Resolve Upholstery and Multi Fabric Spot and Stain Remover. If you guys have kids or pets, this is an absolute must to have in the house because as you know, there's always a mess being made, spills, and then it's really easy directions how to remove dirt, takes out red wine, cola, coffee, chocolate syrup, everything that is sticky and messy. And you just remove the dirt, spray, wait 5 minutes and blot. And I've repeated that like 3 times on the really bad stains, but it works excellent. And I highly, highly suggest this, you guys. Got to have it in the house.